see sky so blue and clouds so white behind the blessed day, the dark second night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands